Pominaya Roerich at 150. Now the word Pominaya is foreign to us, but it's a very common Russian word which means reminiscing or remembering or recollecting. This happens to be 150th birth anniversary year of artist Nicholas Roerich. Nicholas Roerich was a seminal personality of the 20th century, not just for his artistic merits, he was also celebrated for his thoughts about culture, philosophy, and humanity. Having born in Russia in St. Petersburg in 1874, he traveled across the world to finally come to India in 1923 and settle here. He first goes to Kalimpong and from there he goes to Nagar, which is in the Kulu valleys of Himachal Pradesh. There he sets up Uruswati, which is the Himalayan Research Institute. Roerich, along with being an artist, was also a philosopher, an archaeologist, and someone who was deeply interested in the medicinal values of herbs and plants found in the foothills of Himalayas. This drew him to Himalayas very frequently. The works that we have exhibited at Chitrakala Parishad, which is 36 works of Nicholas Roerich from the Himalayan Studies series, is something that he drew between 1925 to 1930s. I must feel proud to say that the works that here is the largest collection of Nicholas Roerich anywhere in India. These works were donated to us very generously by his son Svetoslav Roerich, who was a close friend, associate and a patron of Chitrakala Parishad. And in this exhibition, we are trying to show the 36 artworks of Roerich, but we have run the display in a way that each work gives you enough time and space for you to go into the work and meditate over the beautiful mountains that you see here. Along with the 36 artworks, what we have shown is also a lot of archival material from the CKP collection, where we have displayed one of a diary kept by his son Svetoslav Roerich, which makes a record of all the works done by his father. We have also displayed postcards and calendar cards of Roerich's artworks collected from across the world. Here we also have a 1935 newspaper clipping about the Roerich Pact, and in a small tin we have displayed the cobalt blue pigment which Roerich used so frequently in his work. So I encourage you all to come and see this exhibition, which will be on till 18th November 2024 at Chitrakala Parishad. Thank you.